DeFi, smart contracts, NFTs. These are all topics surrounding the iconic cryptocurrency project called Ethereum. How exactly does Ethereum power all of these use cases? Who created Ethereum? Can ETH really surpass Bitcoin and become the largest crypto project known to man? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome to Metaverse Memo, your home for all things cryptocurrency, metaverse, and NFTs. If you enjoy learning about Web3, then make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a new post. With that said, let's get back to the video. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain network that securely executes and verifies smart contracts. Smart contracts allow participants to transact with each other without a trusted central authority. Transaction records are immutable, verifiable, and securely distributed across the network, giving participants full visibility of their data. Transactions are sent and received by user-created Ethereum wallets. A sender must sign transactions and spend Ether, Ethereum's native token, as a cost of processing transactions on the network. Vitalik Buterin is credited with creating Ethereum. He published a white paper to introduce the crypto coin in 2014. The Ethereum platform was then launched in 2015 by Vitalik and Joe Lubin, founder of the blockchain software companies Consensus. The founders of Ethereum were among the first to consider the full potential of blockchain technology beyond just enabling the secure virtual payment method. Since the launch of Ethereum, the project has risen to become the second largest cryptocurrency by market value. It is outranked only by Bitcoin. Ethereum offers an extremely flexible platform where developers can build decentralized applications using the native Solidity scripting language and Ethereum virtual machine. Developers who deploy smart contracts on Ethereum benefit from the rich ecosystem of developer tooling and established best practices that have come with the maturity of the protocol. This maturity also extends into the high-quality user experience for people who use Ethereum applications. Wallets like MetaMask, Argent, and Rainbow offer simple interfaces that allow users to interact with Ethereum blockchain and smart contracts. Ethereum's large user base also encourages developers to deploy their applications on its network. This reinforces Ethereum as the primary choice of decentralized applications like DeFi and NFTs. The upcoming merge to Ethereum 2.0, currently scheduled for mid-September, will provide a more scalable network to build decentralized applications that require higher transaction throughput. Now, let's take a look at two use cases of Ethereum. The first is decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi is a network of financial applications built on top of blockchain networks. It's different from current financial networks because it is open, programmable, and operates without a central authority. DeFi also enables new models for payments, investing, lending, and trading. By using smart contracts and distributed systems, devs can easily build secure and decentralized financial applications. Some DeFi projects are already offering products that enable peer-to-peer lending and borrowing, earning interest on cryptocurrency assets, trading via decentralized exchanges, and much more. Some popular DeFi platforms include Compound, Aave, Uniswap, and MakerDAO. The second use case of Ethereum is non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are unique digital tokens that prove the legitimacy of rare assets, both digital and tangible. NFTs can be used by an artist to tokenize their work and ensure that their art is unique and belongs to them and them only. The ownership information is recorded and maintained on the blockchain network. One of the first examples of this was CryptoKitties Collection, a group of NFTs powered by Ethereum's blockchain. NFTs are continuing to gain ground every year as more companies look to tokenize assets and provide users with tamper-proof items. Now, you can't talk about ETH without mentioning its historic price movements. From Ethereum's official launch in 2014 to March 2017, the token's price range remained bound between $0.70 and $21. From there, ETH skyrocketed to a peak of $414 in June 2017, before having a slight correction. After another 7 months of bullish momentum, Ethereum ended its historic bull run by peaking at $1,400 in January of 2018. From that point on, Ethereum has continued to have explosive price action and peaked to an all-time high of $4,300 last year. I think it's safe to say that ETH has solidified itself as a really attractive asset for investors around the world. What are your opinions on Ethereum? Please comment your thoughts down below and share with us. We would love to chat with you there. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.